Hey guys, and thanks for tuning in to the unboxing of the HyperX Cloud Stinger. This is the new $50 gaming headset from HyperX, so it's the affordable edition of their Cloud series. It's called the Stinger. Up there, guys, we have the Cloud X2, which is a beautiful piece of headset equipment. Behind me, we also have the Cloud X Revolver Gears of War edition. This is the Cloud X2 as well. So as you guys can tell, I do like my HyperX products. Like I said, this is the Stinger. So we're going to leave that sitting there for the time being. So why don't we go ahead and dive in and see what is actually inside of this. Alright guys, we got congratulations on joining the HyperX team. Get ready to experience a whole new world of gaming with HyperX. Happy Gaming, Anders Williamson, HyperX General Manager. So there's a little card from him in there, which is awesome. HyperX is not only gaming headsets, guys, they also have SSDs, thumb drives, DDR3, DDR4, and a few other products as well. Gaming mouse pads, which I'm using. There's a quick start guide. So apparently there's a volume control on the headset. If you have a laptop, it allows for single jack use. And if you're on a PC, you can break it between microphone and headset. If you're on the Xbox One, you can also use the little headset adapter. So that's not what we're here for though, guys. So why don't we dive right into it? This is the smallest packaging, obviously, as you guys can tell, out of all of my HyperX products. But that's because this is actually a plastic, where the rest of mine are more metally. You know, more, yeah, they're just more metal. So this one right here, guys, here's the cord for it. So we're gonna go ahead and set this down. So the first thing I notice is that the microphone is attached. The thing about the Cloud X2 is it has a detachable microphone, which is great for if you want to not have it on, because like when I'm recording and stuff, when I'm recording plug and play podcast, it's sometimes, I mean, majority of the time I don't use that microphone. I have my own other microphone, so I take out the microphone and it's great. The nice thing though for gaming that I personally have always enjoyed is having the microphone attached to my headset, because then I can tell if it's muted and not muted. We'll get back to that here in a second about muting and not muting. Another thing just from holding these this short period of time is I noticed that the ear cuffs, these little the memory foam pieces that go on the side of your head, that but you know is what makes it comfortable for long extended game period times, is the same as the Cloud X2. So even though you're paying $50 for what, you know, isn't their top of the line, you are getting the same comfort style earmuffs as the Cloud X2, which is their top of the line one right now. These, you know, they fold in and out a little bit they can curve around your head. You have a memory foam up here on the top. Again, this is all plastic. The nice thing that they have not taken the cheap road on is putting metal in the expanders here, so that they're not going to break on you when you're moving them back and forth. So we're going to go ahead and give this a shot. You know, it's because it's plastic, and it's, I'm not going to take this off right now, but they're kind of snug. They're not too snug though. They're not like annoyingly snug. They're snug enough to where my voice is silenced out a little bit, so that the background noise from the world around you will be, you know, brought down as the gaming world that is in front of your eyes is brought up and surround yourself in it. They're very comfortable. They're very light. They're very, very light. I really like the lightness of this headset. it's actually for long game periods of time, gaming sessions. It's nice to have a light headset. So this is awesome, this light. But like I said, we're gonna get back to that microphone. Nice thing about having an attached microphone, and what HyperX has done in this is a click recognition. And what I mean by click recognition is that currently this microphone is up. You guys can see that it's standing up. But on lowering, you're gonna hear a click. So now that click, guys, when it is in the up position, when you hear that click, that means you are live. You know, that's when that click right there is the hey and welcome to the Plug and Play show for me. That means that everybody that you're talking to, or there is in a group or that is in a game with you, you are now live to them, and vice versa. So if when you hear that click again, you know that you're not gonna be talking to anybody. So that's very nice. I love that feature that they've added into this. This click recognition is amazing. As always, I love their black style that they do. They got the HyperX logos on the side. Now, the nice thing about this, guys, is I don't know if you guys saw it on top of the box, it is for PC, Xbox One, PS4, Wii U, Mac, and mobile. So Android. Has just a little standard phone jack, little earpiece jack, a little 3.5 mil. Is what they have standard for your other consoles. But if you're a PC aficionado like myself, they do have the splitter. And what I mean by splitter is that you can take the microphone and the headset and put them into two different channels on the back of your PC so you guys can get a better sound and better microphone quality. So yeah, that is what I have this week, guys, or not this week, but this time for the Cloud X or the HyperX Cloud Stinger. Remember, guys, it is available now. It is less. It's $50 or less, depending on where you go. So head over to HyperX.com. Check out the buttonsmashers.com where you guys will be checking out the review on this. If you guys want more details, more specs on like what's actually in this, like what is driving this earphone, what is driving this microphone, head over to the buttonsmashers.com, guys. You guys will find the little spec breakdown on the HyperX Cloud Stinger review. So, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to prime and, well, we're just gonna go to game. So we're gonna shine, guys.